students, again good morning, and this is your science revision. Okay, this is your science revision video. Okay, all about that chapter, those chapters will become here in your final term. Clear? So let's start about this first chapter, chapter 6. So look at here this revision video, chapter 6 MCQ. So which of the following layer of the earth's crust forms the soil? So topmost layer. Okay, so which is the right answer? Topmost. The organic substance formed by the decay of dead animals and plants is called, so which is the right option? Humus. Okay, dash makes the soil fertile. Humus. Okay, the process of wearing and carrying away of the soil by natural source is called, so erosion. Wearing and carrying away of the soil, it's called a erosion. Wind and dash are main agents of the soil erosion, so which one is the correct answer here? Water. Okay, look at here next. The prevention of soil erosion, natural forces is called, so soil conservation is the right answer here. Okay, now next is loss of topsoil on hill slopes can be prevented by, so terrace farming. Okay, terrace farming prevented by. Okay, so loss of soil on hill slopes can be prevented by, so terrace farming. Name the following two animals which live in the soil: earthworms and ants. Okay, two insects which live in the soil: insects, that is grasshopper and termite. The chief agents of soil erosion: wind and water. Soil contains air and water. Fill in the blanks. Look at here. Humus makes the soil fertile. Growing crops by cutting steps is also known as contour farming. Okay, contour farming, CONTOUR, contour farming, FARMING. Next, soil carried from the hills and deposited in the plains is called silt. Okay, next is dash made of bricks and concrete along the bank of the river, so building embankments. Okay, building embankment. Next is dash is most important for life, so topsoil is the most important for life. Now here is define the following: soil, contour farming, soil erosion. Okay, soil erosion, the process of carrying or wearing of topsoil due to natural sources is called soil erosion. What is the meaning of soil erosion? The process of carrying or wearing of the topsoil due to natural forces is called soil erosion. Look at here, contour farming. So growing crops by cutting steps is also known as contour farming. Clear? What is soil? So soil is formed as rocks break into tiny pieces is called soil. Let's revision about this chapter, chapter 9. Okay, so what is the chapter 9? So chapter 9 is reproduction in animals. Okay, so take the correct word in the following sentence. So dash the frog, cat, parrot is a mammal. So which one is the right answer? Cat. Cat is a mammal. Okay. Dash. Second is birds, snakes, frogs take care of their young ones. So birds. Birds is the correct answer. Third, a caterpillar is the larva of a mosquito, butterfly, cockroach. So butterfly. The animals which does not pass through the 4 stages of growth is the housefly, butterfly, grasshopper. So grasshopper doesn't pass through the 4 stages. Okay, fill in the blanks. The process of producing young ones is called reproduction. Okay, the process of producing young ones is called reproduction. Process of producing is called a reproduction. In an egg of bird, the food for the growing chick is stored in the yolk. Okay, in mammals, the young ones feed on their mother's milk. The caterpillar is the larva of a butterfly. Some insects grow after the process of shedding their skin called molting. Okay, MOULTING, molting. Caring of the young ones by the parents is known as parental care. PARENTALCARE, parental care. Father or mother's bird sits on these eggs to keep them warm. This process is known as incubation. INCUBATION, incubation. Look at here. Try true false statements. All animals feed their babies with their own milk. So false, because all animals Yes. Okay. So yeah, few animals feed their babies, okay, with their own milk, okay, but some animals not feed, okay, doesn't feed, sorry, don't feed. Okay, so the egg of bird contains food for the chick, so true. A cockroach goes through 4 stages in its life cycle, so false. Okay, the baby of a grasshopper does not resemble its adult, so false. Who am I? I am the young of a frog tadpole. Although I am an egg animal, I care for my baby, so bird animal. Okay, she care. I do not care for the egg I lay, reptiles. Okay, define the following: reproduction, mammals. Okay, what is the meaning of mammals? Mammals, some animals give birth directly to their young ones. Puppies, kittens, cows, calves are born in this way. So these animals are called mammals. Okay, which animal give birth directly to their young ones? It is called a mammals. Okay, and what is the reproduction? So, living being to produce young ones of their own kind is called reproduction. And why do animals reproduce? So, all animals need to reproduce because so that their kind continues to live on earth. Here this chapter 10. Okay, so plants use energy from the sun to make food, so light is the right option. A ball that is thrown up in the air falls down because of the force of gravity. Okay, we need energy to all of these because run also, work and play is a must. Okay, so all of these. Which energy is used for running? Gadgets like television, refrigerator, fan and computer, so electrical energy. Okay, bottle opener is an example of, so lever. Okay, knives and axes are examples of wedge. Okay, wedge. Knives and axes are example of wedge. Doorknobs and drivers are examples of wheel and axle. The force of friction is dash on a smooth surface. The force of friction is less on a smooth surface, less. Okay, so right answer is less. So these are your chapter 6, chapter 9 and chapter 10. Okay, revision video. Okay, revision work. In class, what is a simple machine? This is a question. What is a simple machine? List some examples. So a simple machine is an object which makes work easier for us. Some example for simple machines are lever, inclined plane, wedge, screw, pulley and wheel and axle. Okay, so look at here, this true or false. If a ball is thrown up, it falls down due to friction, so false. Our life would be much better if there are no friction, so false. No work is done if the force is applied on an object does not make it move a distance, so true. Wind is the main source of energy on the earth, so false. Heat is a form of energy, so true. So these are some questions answer about their science revision. Okay, so okay.